In today's video, let's unbox this newly released Nike SB Dunk Low Pro white black colorway. And if you would ask me, I feel that they are pretty similar with the white gums, which I have here. And the reason why I am holding this pair right now, it's because I want to compare it with this newly released white black so that we can see what is the strength of this pair versus the famous white gums. Okay, so without any delay, let's do the unboxing, and yeah, let's decide later which one, if for example you would ask me, I will be keeping one pair. Okay, so let's do this. And unfortunately, this is not yet loaded in the US market, only here in EU that they are pretty early. So I hope the US guys would also get this pair if you like this kind of colorway. So there you go, your normal, sorry for that, purple GR box, and this is basically officially the white black colorway. Okay, and I'm not gonna lie, it's giving me a little bit of reverse panda vibe, to be honest. But let's see how they look good on feet, because I will be also putting this on my feet straight away on this video versus the white gums. And there you go. This is pretty similar with the white gums, to be honest, and the materials are the same. They're using tumbled leather here, which is nice. And the thing that you will notice straight away on the swoosh part is it's a little bit fuzzy, so they're using suede. Later on, let's compare it side by side with the other one so that you guys can see the difference that I'm talking here. So it's fuzzy, so they're using suede material, which is nice. And of course, the main difference between the two is the outsole, which is here they're using the black outsole. Okay, and let's just check. It doesn't have the Nike SB lace tips anymore versus the old white gums. This is the other foot, and I will just put it this right there because we don't have extra laces, unfortunately. And this is the white black Nike SB Dunk Low Pro 2025 released. One thing I noticed also is that the font that they're using on the insoles is a little bit different already versus the old one, which I will be showing you again on the side by side later on. What I can tell is that the materials that they're using is still nice, thick leather, and also the swoosh that I have told you, and the heel tab. You can see they are all utilizing the suede materials. This is embroidery here is also pretty clean. I like it, how they have done the embroidery. It's a solid pair, especially if you don't have the white gums yet. So if this is your first time buying this colorway, then it would be nice to have, because it's a little bit different from the white gums, but you know, still similar in terms of quality and materials. Okay, so let's take a look on the other pair that I have here, because we want to have the complete comparison between the two. As you can see right now, the tongue label is completely different. This is reverse on the other side, and as you can see also here there's a low pro letterings, and here it doesn't have, but I prefer the puffy tongue on the white gums, to be honest. As you can see here, this is much puffier versus this tongue on the new 2025 release. So that's a win on the tongue side on the white gums. And on the heel tab area, it's completely reverse. As you notice, the same on the tongue labeling. So the heel support or the heel tab is black, and here it's white, and the embroidery is black, and this is reverse here. This is the white. Material wise, they are completely the same. And I noticed that the 2025 is even thicker. The leather that they used here is even thicker versus the white gums. So I will give the material to the new one, to the 2025 white black. In terms of laces, both of them doesn't have extra laces. But the thing about the white gums is that they have this little detail on the lace tips with Nike SB. So I would give that to the white gums. And as I have mentioned, since the white gums is more like of an EZO release, you can tell that the insoles is completely different versus the insoles of the, I mean in terms of letterings on the 2025. Okay, so that was the main differences between the two, and of course the major one would be the outsole. So that's no brainer already, since I am a sucker for gum bottoms. I prefer gum bottoms versus the black outsole. So it's really up to you. That's my preference, very subjective, but in my case I just love gum bottoms versus the black outsole on the 2025. I think those are the major differences. Sorry, before I will forget, the swoosh area. So like I said, this is using fuzzy, hairy, a little bit hairy suede material, and this is smooth, soft texture tumble leather on the white gums. I give it to the white gums in terms of swoosh, but the overall materials, this is much superior because it has a thick leather. I think if you guys can see, especially on this area here, you can see that it's a little bit thinner versus the 2025 released here. This is much thicker, like around half mm thicker versus the white gums. So now the verdict is that if you would only keep one pair, which one would be? I will try to put them on first, and you will be the judge which one is better looking on feet. And yeah, let's do the on feet video. Okay, that was the on feet. Which one you think is better in terms of aesthetics? If you would ask me, I would say the white gums. I'm just, biased on it. I love the combination of the gum bottom versus the white midsole. But if you would ask me mainly on the materials, the white black is far better than the white gums. Okay, but it was really up to you guys. Which one are you getting? For example, if this is your first SB donks, then whichever is or whatever is available, then better get it, because basically you can't go wrong. Both of these sneakers, especially if you want to wear them during the summer season. Okay, so that was the white black versus the white gums comparison. I'll see you next time. Peace out.